Okay, welcome to, this is actually, I'm on the wrong day there. We are on Thursday, September 10th. This is our first actual lesson, non-team building and syllabus stuff. So this is our first lesson. And the steps are here. Basically, if you are at home, a distance learner today, um, so if you are, what would that be? You are a student, I think you'd be at home, or any distance people. So here is this basically just click through these links. You hopefully found this first one here with the introduction. And there's kind of two main things. We're going to go over some vocabulary, which I'm going to have you look up on the internet first and type out some ideas of what you think it means in your own words. Okay, and then I'll go over those vocab words, the answers to them basically. And then we're going to talk about what an algorithm is. That's one of the vocab words. And so then you're going to try and write an algorithm, which is just like a set of instructions for making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, so you're going to type that in this blog here, and then there'll be a video summarizing that. Okay, and then the big thing, this is our one assignment for this week. You should see on the calendar on our main page there, is you have to get everybody, distance learners, non-distance learners, to get Java and Eclipse installed on a home computer. Okay, so in school, if you're one of the people that comes to school, sometimes you'll have access to a Mac laptop that will allow you to write programs, but at home, you don't have access to that. So in order to work on programs at home, you need to install Java and Eclipse. Unfortunately, that won't really work on a Chromebook. So you need to get it set up on either like a desktop or a laptop. If you don't happen to have access to one of those, you can use your Chromebook to program. I put a link here to an online editor. I also put it in our main page general files. So you can use an online one. It's a little clunky. I don't really recommend it. So if you can get something set up on a desktop or laptop at home, that'll be much better for working your programs at home. And that'll be our one assignment. So that's the summary. Remember, if you have any questions at all, post them here, and I can either answer them here or answer them in class if you happen to be someone that comes to school. So that's it. Let's get after it, our first lesson. I'm excited. Tomorrow we'll write our first program, but we need some of the basics here first before we dive into that. All right, thanks for watching.